Okay, let's pause the music. Okay, so I took another experience today, guys. I'm literally comparing the three new reasoning models. Probably they are all not new. So I'm comparing ChatGPT, the ChatGPT reasoning model against Gemini 2.0 reasoning as well. Thinking, they're calling it thinking, and Deepseek also. Thinking, the deep think model, R1. Cool. So the way I'm gonna test this today is using actually a prompt that's not really specific to a given model, because I believe that a good AI model should handle, like, it's like a human. If you can quickly understand, it means you're more intelligent. So they brought prompting engineering to like teach us how to talk to AI. That's the language AI, like generative AIs talk. But I think a most intelligent AI model should understand, even if you speak just broadly speaking. So I'm gonna use this. It's not a specific prompt. Oh, yeah, one more thing. I forgot to tell you about this joke. If you're JavaScript developer, you're gonna love it. So in JavaScript, none stands for not a number. But when you type in type of none, it gives you number. So none is a number and it's not a number. Crazy. Cool. Let's deal with this. Oh, yeah, I was talking about the prompt. So I want to implement an API caching on the front end, assuming I don't have control over the backend. So I want to reduce kind of like the number of requests a single user will get to perform when he navigates to a given page on my website. And I will cache the response of the API 24 hours. As you can see, this doesn't follow any prompting engineering. I don't specify any tech stack. So let's see how different AI models responded to my question. What I expect, maybe some of this AI could have used the expired storage npm package, which you can see here. It's just a tiny one, but it's over great API. I love it so much. And what else? What else before we go to the response? Yeah, always similar implementation. Okay, actually, I ran this prompt a few minutes ago, and guys, the time DeepSeek took to think about my problem was insane. It took, let me zoom in. Can you see? 514 seconds. Guys, that's a lot. How, like, actually, this is it's about nine 9 minutes, I think, almost, or 8 minutes. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it's 8 minutes and I don't know. I'm not. We are not on calculus right now, and you can see it just took a lot of time thinking on the problem, which is not a very complicated problem. It's given tell me to continue. It didn't give a complete response, which is crazy. I didn't like the experience with DeepSeek. Let's see the Gemini response. So the Gemini response looks like it was good, but it wasn't really straightforward for me to copy and paste the response from this query. So let's hide the reasoning part. Uh, so yeah, the implementation is correct. They are checking with the timestamp didn't expire yet, and they will return the value from the API. And if it has not expired yet, they return the value from the local storage. They're using local storage, by the way. But I felt like this implementation was quite too long and not really clear to me what should I use. If I wanted to implement this in my code base, it would have took me a lot of time to like copy and paste. And yeah, if I cannot take a response just directly, then what the AI model is doing for me. Okay, so and the king is here. ChatGPT, the reasoning model, gave me the best answer. As you can see, it's really clear that we are fetching the data from, let's say, uh, example.com, API, blah, blah, blah. Then to us, you can see this fetch cache data is checking if we have actually the data from the local storage and if it has not yet expired. If so, then it resolves the promise with the data from the local storage. If not, we invalidate the cache, we fetch, and we set new data. That's crazy quick, and I can just go ahead and copy paste this function into my code base without thinking a lot of things. So, according to me, ChatGPT has got the best answer. If you have a different idea, if you have a comment, just comment below. Let's see what you think, guys. So, yeah, that's it. Stay tuned because in my next video, I'm gonna share with you an experience. I actually pulled this post here for you. Firebase Firestore is really cool until you want to implement full text search or even just like queries. Okay, so to cut short, I'm gonna migrate on a live session. Hopefully, if I get time, I'm gonna migrate from Firebase to an SQL database, and I'll build the API. So yeah, it's gonna be fun, and we will do this together. Hopefully, I will get time to that, and yeah, we'll be learning. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I will be talking about tech stuff in the upcoming videos. So thank you guys, and see you in the next one.